cook this crab, so desperate times cause desperate measures. What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. It is a very hot and sunny day, as you can see. We are in shorts and shirts. Yeah, that's not what we were expecting when we came to Alaska, but here we are. Anyway.
And if you want to stay up to date on everything going on, like and subscribe.
Alright, we're heading down to the beach on very rough terrain. Have to be careful. But it's okay, we got our extra tough Alaska boots. We should get those. We should get some kayaks or paddle boards or something. I don't know if you can see it, but there's people out there that are on paddle boards. I'm gonna say 3.
1-5.
Oh my god! That was pretty good. I'm impressed. Ooh, that one went pretty high. Let me try.
How many think you're gonna get?
3. Oh, there's a lot of bugs right here. Oh! I think I got like 9. Alright, this time let's just see how far you can get it, and then we'll do a contest. Whoever gets the farthest wins.
Like throw it farthest?
Well, you can skip it, however you want to do it, but whoever get the farthest. Aww. My turn.
Nope.
Aside from skipping rocks, there's a bunch of sea glass on this beach. So we're gonna fill this cup, see how full we can get it, with sea glass, and then we'll do some projects with it or something. Alaskan centipede. Deadly with just one bite. Just kidding, I have no idea. So it looks like we found possibly a shrimp.
We found dinner.
It's a baby shrimp. I don't know. Somebody comment down below and tell us what you think that is. Because it looks like a little tiny shrimp, doesn't it?
Yeah. You gotta cook it up.
It's our dinner for tonight.
What do we have here?
Well, yesterday we came here and saw a bunch of jellyfish in the water. I don't know, do you think that's one of the washed up jellyfish?
I think so. It doesn't look like plastic.
Look, the rocks are like sticking to it. Dead now.
We found more dinner.
Woohoo! We're eating good tonight, guys. Guys, we just were not able to make a fire. So we can't cook this crab. So desperate times cause for desperate measures. I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna do that. Somebody correct me if I'm wrong, but these have got to be animal prints. Look at that. I think it's just a dog print, but look at that. That's a bigger one, right? Do you see that? Right there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that just a dog? See, this one's different from that one. Do you see it?
I think that's a dog.
That one's a dog, but what the heck is that? It's a bear. I'm pretty sure a bear would be a lot bigger, but... Come to the dark side. We have cookies. Come to the dark side. We have cookies.
I have no idea.
Come to the dark side. We have cookies.
One more.
He only gets one more. Come to the dark side. We have cookies.
Cops? I don't know.
No. My best friend is better than yours, so put that in your juice box and suck it.
My best friend is better than yours, so put it in a shoebox and suck it.
Close. Almost. We'll do one more. If Barbie is so popular, then why do you have to buy her friends?
If Bobby is so pale, why does he have friends?
It's honestly pretty close. Still funny. Okay, one more. I lied. One more. Shut
Wait
up.
for the song to start.
Shut up, brain, or I'll stab you with a Q-tip. So random.
Shut up, Brian, or I'm gonna stab you with a toothpick.
Alright.
Ready?
Hang on. Got a big
Just
head.
wait. I got a big old head. Come to the dark side. We have cookies.
Say that again.
Come to the dark side. We have cookies.
I have no idea.
Come to the dark side. We have cookies.
This is hard.
Told you.
Okay, one more time.
Come to the dark side. We have cookies.
Come to the store.
Nope. Hello. This is him. Thank you. Thank you. You too. Bye.
What'd she say?
So my test for crabs is negative. I don't have
Oh my
crabs. Emo kids have cool hair.
Oh my gosh. One more time.
Emo kids have
Eboli is a...
cool
Ooh.
hair.
I have no idea.
That's not even. 364
364
days of the year.
days of Vogue.
Parents tell their kids
Parrots enough. Parrots.
not to take candy.
Season.
Life isn't passing me by.
Oh, I can hear you. Life is passing me by.
No, you got it wrong. It isn't. Was that an earthquake? Was that an earthquake?
What's that? Are you crazy?
No. Was that an earthquake? An apple a day
At the end of the day.
keeps the doctor away.
What?
Keeps the doctor away.
What? I have no idea. Move your mouth more.
Paper may beat rock.
Paper baby bag. Did I get it?
No, not even close. Ah. Your weirdness is creeping me out.
Your baby is coming out.
One more. Tell the truth and
Tell the truth.
run.
You're wrong.
Well, that's the closest one. And